What if I told you Honda just introduced a cruiser that could completely shake up the American motorcycle scene? The all-new Honda Sabre 2026 is not just another bike, it's a bold statement on two wheels. With its aggressive, stretched-out design, low-slung stance, and futuristic LED front, this machine instantly grabs attention wherever it goes. It carries that perfect mix of modern styling and classic cruiser attitude, making it feel both premium and powerful at the same time. But this bike isn't just about looks. Underneath that muscular body sits an expected 1100cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering strong low-end torque and smooth, effortless power that's built for long highway rides rather than aggressive racing. Twist the throttle and you feel that instant pull, controlled, refined, and satisfying. Whether you're cruising at 60 or pushing past 80 miles per hour, the ride feels stable, planted, and incredibly smooth, which is exactly what riders in the US market look for in a cruiser. Comfort is where the Honda Sabre 2026 truly shines. Designed for long-distance riding, it features forward-set foot pegs that let you stretch your legs, wide handlebars for better control, and a low, well-cushioned seat that keeps fatigue away even after hours on the road. This is the kind of bike you can take across states without thinking twice. And Honda didn't ignore modern riders either. The bike is expected to come equipped with a full digital display, multiple ride modes, traction control, ABS braking, and even Bluetooth connectivity, giving you a perfect blend of old-school cruiser feel and modern-day technology. When it comes to pricing, the Sabre 2026 is expected to land somewhere between $11,000 and $13,000, placing it right in competition with entry-level cruisers from Harley-Davidson, Yamaha Bolt, and Indian Scout 60. However, Honda brings a major advantage to the table: unmatched reliability, lower maintenance costs, and a smoother riding experience overall. Of course, no bike is perfect. While the Sabre delivers comfort and power, it's not designed for high-speed thrill seekers, and compared to Harley models, customization options might feel slightly limited. It may also feel a bit heavy for beginners. But for riders who value style, comfort, and dependable performance, this bike checks almost every box. In the end, the Honda Sabre 2026 is more than just a cruiser. It's a machine built for real-world riding, for long open highways, and for those who want to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. If you're looking for a bike that offers presence, comfort, and reliability in one solid package, this could easily be one of the best cruisers to consider in 2026.